I am on the road to $100,000 in trading capital, and this is my first ever episode of The Village Trader. As you guys may guess, I am already trading with a prop firm, and in this video, I will show you how I took my trades this week. I wasn't even able to trade on Wednesday because I missed my entry, and out of negligence, I did not actually enter because I was not looking at my charts and was more focused on the premium entries, not knowing price has already making its own premium decisions. All right, so on Wednesday, I was actually supposed to take this particular position here, and price should have rallied up nicely, but I was not able to take that trade. And on Tuesday, so you can see in my previous video, you see me explaining saying that I should have made a place where if I don't take a particular trade, I put it before and after and what happened, but I didn't, right? Which I'll be incorporating into. Why do I like this video? Why do I incorporate? What's even the meaning? Incorporation. Incorporate. Okay, so I would have actually created a section like that on my Excel sheet, which I'm actually using to now test my strategy, but I didn't, right? So, which is actually now hurting me, all right? And on Thursday, there was another position, but I think I just saw it today because I was just going through my chart. Today is Friday, by the way. I was just going through my chart to see what I did wrong and what I did not. And I was trying to record this video, and I realized that I also did not take this particular position. You can see this nice trade. And you can see the candlestick pattern over here and the pattern over here is actually the same thing. Even if I had missed the first 15 minutes of this area, I could have been able to jump in from here. Or even better still, price had shifted 50% of it. I could have jumped in here. Stop loss just below. I don't even need to make it too huge to get my trade done. All right. Then I could have been able to push price way up until I close it around 6 p.m. All right, that'll be around this place. So where is 6? Let's go to 6 p.m. So this is, what the fuck? Where is 6, man? Good. So this place is 6, as you can see. So this is 6 p.m. So around here, which is a 1:2, or even more than that. So let's see if we are taking a trade. Let's just say here, all right, before you see, we are not realistic. Over here, and then we get to 6. So 6 is here, this candle, then this place. So I've done 1:2 just in one day, which is very smooth. Same thing with this. I would have gotten 1:2 in one day, which would have also been very smooth. Like by now, I've actually gotten my live account funded. And my trade today was also very nice because my strategy it's not like I'm not scared of an NFP when I'm trading with my strategy. It's so simple. I just, not NFP per se, but news, all right? So as you can see, this one, price took out the structure and yes, took out the lows. People call this liquidity. I really trade liquidity right now because it doesn't make sense for me. And this one here, I think I don't use indicators, but if you take your 50% EMA, you see that this is actually exactly on an EMA, 50%, 50 EMA. I don't trade it, so I was just testing certain things, just trying to figure out certain things. All right, now price came down to take out this, and then we had price go all the way up during news, and yes, I got my 2% without having to do any hard work. All right, I just came on the charts, I think around 10 a.m. that I took the trade. No, I took the trade around 11:15, around 11 o'clock, sorry. I think the time is even here. I shouldn't be bothering myself. 11:15. Can I say I took it around 11 o'clock and I closed the trade around 11:50. So you can see my before chart is here before I took the trade. I didn't take the screenshot early, but it is this particular candle that I took it on. And then you see I barely went into too much drawdown. And then this is my after. I take screenshot of all my trades. Even my bad trades, I'm not actually ashamed to show it to you because I am growing, and this is the reality of a Forex trader. Don't let anybody come and lie to you. This thing not real. They'll never show you the real part of it. I have been part of that game before, but I think it's time we change that. So when we look at this one, let's see this. Let me start to the after, so that when I open it, we can have. All right, so you can see that it opened right here. So this is my before charts. That day I used my phone to take the screenshots and everything was in order, but I still had top stop loss. So this is my before and this is my after. All was taken by phone. You can see the after was taken by phone exactly. So if you check, you see that this is where the after was before as well. Nice trade overall. So nothing still. The only problem is it should have crossed this line here. This is psychological level. It should have crossed it before I can actually take the trade. But I didn't. If you look well, it didn't. After I didn't even go through. It didn't even go through, right? And I think there was also certain things I learned from it around this place, which is very nice. Always take screenshot, guys. Take screenshot if you can. Just take screenshot. So that is it. I just wanted to show you how today went. It went very nice. You can see I'm really happy. My previous video I was also even happy like this. So hope you really enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. And please, I'll really be happy if you could tell me the video types I should be making on this particular channel. If you really enjoy this part of the content, I'll be really realistic, because for the whole 4 years of my trading journey, for the whole couple of years of my trading journey, I have been in the dark, right? If I say in the dark, I mean I was doing certain things I wasn't supposed to be doing. And the way I talk, people think I'm really that big guy. I'm not big. I have a lot of knowledge when it comes to Forex, but I was actually not using it the right way. I was creating a lot of strategies that shouldn't even be created. One advice I'll give to you is don't reinvent the wheel. Just use what works.
Everything starts out with a dream, but mine started with, the dedication to bring mom out of misery. So everybody has their reason why they started trading. This is mine, and I think it's one of the reasons why I want to be able to make at least 100K per month or something like that. Maybe one day we might get that particular goal, or maybe some other days we might not. But everything is just take it slow. Don't actually force it. It's a step-by-step thing, and you shouldn't be worried about it.